Alright, so today I'm gonna go ahead and swap out my aftermarket shift knob with my, where is it? The base shift knob that it came with. And the reasoning being, it's because I'm gonna start parting out the car, or as you could tell from my other videos. This is the stock one, this is the aftermarket one. It's from a company called TWM Performance. Alright, this is a great shift knob. Alright, this is the A6 design, weighted, engraved, and it's a black pearl finish. This is one of my favorite mods of the vehicle because this thing is really heavy. Alright, it's immaculate. What I do is I actually keep this the iPod sock, iPod Nano, iPod Shuffle type sock over this. So during the summer, only thing is during the summer and during the winter it either gets really hot or really cold. So I keep this on while I'm doing some sort of work, as in, let's see, like taking out my navigation and all that, or a boost gauge. I would put this on so that nothing falls on it and scratches it potentially. Let's see if I could get a focus, a close up on this thing. This thing is immaculate, man. So got this for about $240 shipped from Canada, and see how much I could get this back for. Bit thirsty. Alright, so what you're going to start up with is you're going to use a trim remover to take out the shift boot and the base right here. You just pry, just two prongs here. When you get the trim remover under this base right here, you're just going to kind of pry one side and then the other side and just kind of slowly move it up. Okay, so after you move everything up, this part here, the whole knob itself, is held by this ring. I'm not quite sure what you call it, but they supply you with a hex key. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slowly adjust it so that there should be 4 sides to it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna slowly go ahead and turn counterclockwise. All right. To remove this. Okay. On the bright side, this is really, it held up pretty well. All right. This is a quality item from this thing, from this company. I mean. Man, I really like this thing. So all it took was just a few, I'm sorry, there's 3. So as you can tell from this shift knob and this shift knob, the shift boot on the Audi, alright, is a lot more thicker than this flimsy piece of parchment, or I'm not even quite sure what you call this. It's like imitation leather. Moving on, we're just gonna go ahead and put this back on, and this is how it looks versus how it looks with the TWM. Okay, so sadly I'm gonna see this go, but you know. Okay. So this stays the same. This is a constant base. We had to remove the trim. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna make sure this thing is safe. I'm gonna wrap it up first. And then gonna go ahead and put this back on. Okay, so I'm about to put back in the stock shifter using what it basically did was I got some hose clamps. It works the same way from Home Depot, or you could go to your local Lowe's or something like that. And this is actually what it came with. VW. When I originally had it, they actually crimped this metal piece right here. I actually had to loosen it up to take the whole shifter knob out. Unfortunately, well, I could buy the same piece, but I mean, I don't have that crimper, so what I did was I got some hose clamps, alright, and they're basically the same size. Alright, you just gotta tighten everything up, and it should work the same way. I'm not quite sure yet, because this is my first time putting the stock knob back, so hopefully everything works out. So just careful not to over torque it, and it should be pretty good. You just gotta line the engraving, alright, the shift pattern up the right way, and it should be pretty much solid. Okay, and there you go. That's it. Alright. Put everything back in like it's supposed to be. And you got your trim right here that you have to put back. Mine apparently always decides to fall out all the time, but should be no biggie because you just gotta put everything back in. Just clicks like that. Alright. Just work out your shook boot, smooth it out. Alright. I just hope in the long run this thing doesn't actually. But yeah, that's about it. Alright, thanks for watching.